Converting an equation to slope-intercept form. First, write down the equation. Let's say you're working with the equation 6y plus 5x equals 18. Second, isolate the y term on one side of the equation. Just move the x term over to the other side so that the y term is by itself. Remember that whenever you move a term to the other side of an equation, you have to flip its sign from negative to positive and vice versa. So, 5x moved to the other side of an equation would become negative 5x. The equation should now look like 6y equals negative 5x plus 18. Third, divide all of the terms by the y coefficient. The y coefficient is the number in front of the y term. If there is no coefficient in front of the y term, then you're done. If there is a coefficient, however, then you should divide each term in the equation by that number. In this case, the y coefficient is 6, so you have to divide 6y, negative 5x, and 18 by 6 to get the final answer in the slope-intercept form. Last, identify the terms in the equation. If you're using the equation to plot a line, then you should know that y represents the y coordinate. Negative 5 over 6 represents the slope, x represents the x coordinate, and 3 represents the y-intercept.
Our topic is angle between two lines. So here's the given problem. Find the angle between the two equations, which is y is equal to 4x minus 3 and y is equal to negative 3x plus 2. The formula that is involved in this problem is tangent theta is equal to m sub 1 minus m sub 2 all over 1 plus m sub 1 times m sub 2. In our given problem, we have two equations, which also means we have two slopes. 4 plus 3 all over 1 plus 4 times negative 3 will have negative 7 over 11. And by pressing your calculator, shift 10, you will have negative 32.47, 1192, 29. And you will get the absolute value, and you will have 32 degrees, 28 seconds, and 16.29 milliseconds. Pay attention to our next topic. It is all about angle of inclination. Now, here's the problem. Find the angle of inclination of the given vertices. 2, positive 4, negative 1, negative 3, 4, and negative 6. Formula in finding the slope. Y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. In finding the angle of inclination, we first have to find the three slopes since it is a triangle. In our first slope, we will use the line 3 and the line 2. Negative 6 minus 4 all over negative 4 minus 2, we will get negative 5. And for our second slope, we will use the line 3 and the line 1. Negative 3 minus 4 all over negative 1 minus 2, and we'll have 7 over 3. And for our last slope, we will use the line 1 and the line 2. Negative 6 minus negative 3 all over 4 minus negative 1, which is equal to negative 3 over 5. Once again, our angle of inclination formula is tangent theta equals m sub 1 minus m sub 2 all over 1 plus m sub 1 m sub 2. We will first solve the tangent theta. By substituting the values of our slopes, we will get negative 5 minus 7 over 3 all over 1 plus negative 5 times 7 over 3, and you will get 22 over 3 all over negative 32 over 3, which is also equal to 11 over 16. By pressing shift tangent, you will have 34.508, 52299, which is also equal to 34 degrees, 30 seconds, and 30.68 milliseconds. And here is the graph. Next up is for tangent alpha. By substituting again the values of our slopes, we will have 7 over 3 minus negative 3 over 5 all over 1 plus 7 over 3 multiplied by negative 3 over 5, and you will get 44 over 15 all over negative 2 over 5. This is also equal to negative 22 all over 3 equals negative 82.23483398 plus 180. And you will get 97 degrees, 45 seconds, and 54.6 milliseconds. After solving everything, we have to add all of our values, and we should be able to have 180 degrees since it is a triangle.
For example, 12x plus 4y equals 36. To eliminate the 36, divide both sides by it. So the answer will be x over 3 plus y over 9 equals 1. Our next topic is point slope form. The formula to get the point slope form is y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1.
For example, the slope is 2 over 5 and the coordinates of the point is 5, negative 3. Distribute 2 to x minus 5, and our answer would be 5y plus 15 is equal to 2x minus 10. For example, the given coordinates are 5, 7, and negative 10, 2. Another example is 6, negative 3, 7, 9.